Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Ahrefs through a Group Buy SEO tool and save a lot of money every month. We'll be using Supreme SEO, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step from registration to accessing Ahrefs. We'll be using Supreme SEO, and I'll walk you through the full process. First, open supremeseo.com. If you're new here, click on the register button, enter your name, email address, create a password, and click on register. After registering, you'll need to verify your email, so go ahead and check your inbox. Open the email from Supreme SEO and click on Verify Email Address. Once that's done, your account will be activated. Now log into your account, and this is the dashboard you'll see. From here, you can explore different SEO tools and services available for Group Buy. As you can see, they offer many popular SEO tools under one platform, which is great if you're on a budget. Today, I'll be purchasing Ahrefs, which is one of the most powerful SEO tools out there for keyword research, backlinks, and competitor analysis. Simply click on Ahrefs and proceed to the checkout page. For payment, I'm using PayPal, but you also have multiple options like Stripe, credit card, UPI, and Paytm, so it's very flexible. Once the payment is completed, go to the Active Subscriptions tab. Here, you'll see your Ahrefs subscription active. Now click on Site Explorer, and just like that, you'll have access to Ahrefs. You can start analyzing websites, checking backlinks, keywords, and more, and that's it. This is how you can use Ahrefs for just $15 per month using a Group Buy SEO tool. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.